English you can live in. Feeling words. I write it down in my digital journal, thoughts and moods, each internal. I call a friend. I speak my heart. Sharing helps me feel smart. Drawings, songs, and dancing too. Expressing feelings is what I do. Breathing deep. I name each emotion. Creative outlets are my devotion. Therapy apps remind me to check journals, chats, and music deck. Healthy ways make stress go light. Expressing daily keeps me bright. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.